Hello friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to this GenAI learning video series. In the previous video, you saw how we created our first Hello GenAI project and you learned how to create an API key, how to store that API key in the environment variable, what is this model, which model we are going to use for this project, what is input and how we are printing that. So you learned and understood each and everything. If you have still not watched that video for the Hello Gen AI, I'll recommend you to please watch that video first. I will also put that video link in the description. Now, second project, Gen AI Text Summarizer project. Now, you'll be thinking, what is the use of this text summarizer in Gen AI? So, I'll ask you one question. Do you read all your emails that you are getting in your company? So let's say when you are opening an email, you are getting lots of emails, and each email has the long text. Do you go through each emails? No, right? And I hope you will be also thinking that if we have something which can like give us just action point, key points in a some bullet point, bullet points, and then you can just understand from there, right? And if you're going in a daily scrum call, like daily meetings on the teams, so do you always like remember all the points from the meetings? No, right? And that time also you will be thinking that okay, if we have something which can like give just a short action points, or like what was the decision taken in the call, what will be the action for me, what will be the action for the other person, what they are going to do, like that, bullet points. So that will be helpful, right? So this text summarizer, this GenAI project will work for that. So once you'll have an email, the long email, you will just give that as a prompt to that to this model, and this model will summarize that and give you in a bullet point. If you want to do that, then this project will be helpful. Okay, so let's create this project here. We'll create a new file, and I'm going to name it GenAI underscore text summarizer project, right? GenAI underscore text summarizer. Sorry, let me rename this and say .py. This is going to be a Python file. Now, this time I'm not going to copy and paste this complete code from the API, the OpenAI, right? I'm going to write one by one so that you can also practice this one. So the first step, that we are going to use OpenAI API, right? And for that we have to write the completions like so. We'll say from and then OpenAI. This one, you see the OpenAI is showing here already, and then we'll import OpenAI, and that will be this way. So from will be a small letter, the OpenAI will be a small letter, and import will be a small letter, and this is the OpenAI, that is the class that we are going to import. Okay, and we have already installed that the library. So using that, we are going to take it. And one more thing, we have already added the API key in our um, uh, system environment, like in the environment variable, right? If you don't know how to do that, please I'll suggest you just go through this first project, the Hello Gen AI one, the first video. Okay, now after importing this, we have to you know establish a connection basically, so that our system can talk to OpenAI API. So we'll say let's take this as a client, same that OpenAI API follows, and then I'll say OpenAI open close bracket, which will like find the API key from our system environment. After that, we need to create a response. Like we need to send uh, our prompt to the API server. So for that, we'll say client means this one, which has the API and everything. So client dot response dot create. So we'll create that. Now open and close bracket. Sorry, we'll do like this one. Open and close bracket. After that, we have to pass two parameter. first we have to pass modal, like what model we are going to use to generate that content. So as I told you in my previous video that we are going to use lowest one, like the not free, basically this is the low cost one and fastest one. So this is GPT. You see there are lots of model, that once I'll write model and double equals to this one, then you see lots of models available here, right? So I am going to use only GPT-4o mini, GPT-4, but I'll take mini one, this one. Okay, you can type it as well. Now second parameter that will be passing as a input, this one, input equal to. So this is not a variable only, you have to put it, this is fixed one. See, if you'll take any other things, that will be error, like say data, so that will be error, right? You just need to pass input. Now in the double quotes we are going to pass the specific keyword, a specific prompt that will help you in the text summarization. So I'll say, as this project is for summarization, so I'll say summarize this, or summarize the following text or contents in simple short bullet points. So whatever like long text that will pass here, it will summarize that and give you in the short bullet points. Okay, like this way. And then here I'll take the input from user. I'll take input from here and then pass it here directly. So I'll take it, let's say a variable as a text, and here I'll take text. This is my variable equals to I have long meeting notes. I'll copy it from there. So I have this email. I'll copy this email and I'll paste here. Now currently we are getting an issue. How can we fix that? So to fix this issue, we need to enclose these text in the three quotes, basically 3 here and 3 here, right? So I have just selected and press shift and this quotes. And if you don't want to go with this, you have to like this way, you have to put it in the one line. Okay, now we have fixed this. And now let me enter this, and after that whatever response that's going to create, we are going to store in our one variable called response. Okay, and after that we'll take here print, means we are going to print that here in the command line. So print, and we'll say a response dot output underscore text. This will, whatever response we'll have from the server, OpenAI server, that will be printed here. Now we are ready to run this. Let's click run. Okay, we forgot one comma. So basically to separate these two parameters, we need to pass one comma here. Got it? Let's delete this one and let's try one more time. And you see we got that output in the bullet points. It says that meeting held about the project delay. Main issue, resource unavailability for dependency. Need to assign 2 more developers. Timeline needs to be replanned. Their availability by tomorrow. Thanks, Manish Pandey. Like that. So we got this. So it means it says that this is from this person. So it's working as an email summarizer. Now, let's say we are on the meeting and we have the meeting transcription, meeting notes I have. And now I want to summarize that. So what we'll do, we'll now go with the meeting notes. I'll remove this, and I'll also just take one step further for this project. Not only changing the prompt, I'm also taking now this time this prompt this text directly from the user. How? Means directly from this command prompt. Let me first delete this. And here I'll take input function, input, open close bracket, and I'll say enter your text. Got it? And whatever text that will be entered by user, that will be stored in the text variable and it will be passed here. Got it? Now I'll click run. Now here we need to pass our that text. I have a meeting notes here. So now I'm going to copy and paste this meeting notes here and press enter. Once I will press enter, it will summarize this meeting notes and it will give us the data. See, now if you want to make more relevant and better response, then you have to add some more in the prompt. So the better prompt, the better output you receive here. This way we have created our another project, the GenAI project, that is text summarizer. I hope this is useful for you and you learn something from the GenAI projects. And this way we'll move for the one by one. You'll learn everything not just by changing the input. We'll be also learning something more in this one, some advanced version. Okay, so please hit the like button if you like this and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get my video notification.